wash day, and something I've been incorporating into my hair care routine is hair oiling. I've been using the Fable and Maine Holy Roots hair oil, and I just take honestly, I put a lot throughout my scalp. I noticed that ever since incorporating this into my hair care routine, my hair, especially at my roots, has felt more substantial just because I think the new growth is a lot healthier. I'll make sure to put some around my temples, around the back of my head too. This combined with rosemary oil have helped my hair shed a lot less. Hair shedding is normal, you lose about 100 hairs a day, but if I can help it, I would prefer not to. I use a wide tooth comb to distribute it and sort of massage it into my scalp. And if I'm going to sleep, then I'll actually leave it on overnight, and I'll wear this satin cap over it just to make sure it doesn't get all over my pillows. If I'm not going to sleep, then I've also been using it in conjunction with the hair mask. I'm almost out of it. I used to actually just put it on my dry hair, but it says put it on damp hair, so I'm just gonna dampen my hair really quickly. Okay, now my hair is sufficiently damp. I think I'm just gonna probably use the rest of it today. Look at that. It looks like custard. It also smells delicious. And I'll leave it in for as long as I can. I'll usually go on a run, do a workout, eat something, and then I'll come back. Once my hair is fully coated, I will put it up, I think as long as possible, if you can. This is my hair now. I feel like the quality of my hair has skyrocketed. I've always had a lot of hair, but I feel like I have more now, and it's way more shiny.